Oh, so the camera had stopped recording at a certain point, maybe because it was 30 minutes in, so you might have missed some. And the second weird thing is it complains battery empty, which is weird as they're supposed to be charged. So I might have one bad battery. Anyway, so to catch up, um, the way to disconnect the transformer is just to desolder them 3 wires. That's actually the easiest part. And as said, well disconnected, you might want to take some readings. So it's like 9.5 ohms. Turn it to the center, it's 4.8, 4.9. That looks totally reasonable for secondary windings. Primary winding, right, goes from here to here. Primary winding 283 ohm, right, and the fuse itself. Fuse itself, that's nominal. So that looks all okay, but before I continue, I'm really worried about the batteries, but so far it's still recording. So I'm just gonna go ahead and solder this back in place with, as said, the reasons to undo it were like, because for one, I didn't like how this copper was twisted and how them cables were like quite literally touching each other, or could with very little effort. Come on, I know it's slightly thicker, don't. No, well, we leave the middle one. So let's go for the last soldering session. Hopefully, right. First that one, fat sucker in the middle. Apply heat. Okie dokie. How did that one get ticked down? So. Right. Time for an inspection again. That's looking reasonable as I planned it. Right. So shrink sleeve over it. More shrink sleeve. I think this thing was just to hide whatever was under. Right, so let's see what we have now. So we still have this contact point here that's, yeah, it's also not soluble. Should almost say like you have to glue it somehow. Well, it might be solvable. That one I must think of how to repair it. So, for now. Oh, my carpet is so happy. I think all is well, and we dare to, we could try power it on and see if something explodes. I'd rather have it somehow that not everything is that exposed, but it's easier said than done. This might be a short circuit, so, and I need to watch back the video to see where this piece came from. It has a function, but for now, right. Do we dare to? No, I don't. Also the batteries are empty. I need to recharge batteries. I come back for more, maybe.